How to fix download failed because virus was detected in Google Chrome. So if you're trying to download something and Google keeps blocking it as a virus, here's what you can do. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings here and then search for Defender and then click on Windows Security Settings, click on Virus and Threat Protection and then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection and make sure to temporarily disable the real-time protection. Now you want to go back to Chrome and click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side and then click on Settings. Now in the settings you want to search for protection like this and then click on Security, which is this one right here, and under Safe Browsing you want to set it temporarily as well to No Protection. Now once you do that, basically try to download your file again and it should allow you to download that file, and it should allow you to download the file without being blocked or automatically removed. You can also check the extensions if that issue keeps happening by clicking on the three vertical dots and clicking on Extensions and Manage Extensions, and now basically disable or remove any extensions that you think might be interfering with the download process. And once you do that, you should be able to download the file normally, and then you can turn back on the enhanced protection and the real-time protection. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.